Hi boys and girls. Before you start your schoolwork each day, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you make sure you're in your Google account, you won't have to keep entering in passwords for the sites we use a lot. If you're using a Chromebook you got from school, all you have to do is log in. You can stop this video, go log in, and get started on your schoolwork. If you're using a computer or tablet at home, I will show you how to get into your account. First, go to Google Chrome, then type in kpbsd.org. From here, you will click on Google Drive in this blue bar across the top. Then you will enter your school ID and password. I'm going to enter Casey's information just to show you what should happen. Click on Sign In. Then check and make sure your name is here and click Continue. Okay, so it says My Drive, and I can also look over here and see that there is a colorful circle with a C there, and it has his name there. So he is in and ready to go. He can now go to our class website and get started. You can type in the link to the website, or if you have it bookmarked, just go to the bookmark, click on that, and you're ready to start your school day. Have fun!